Bombshell breaking news now from the U.S. Supreme Court. An apparent leak of a majority draft opinion showing the court appears close to overturning Roe versus Wade. That is the 1973 Supreme Court decision granting the constitutional right to an abortion in the country.
Aaron, news of that leak and the possible overturning is sending shockwaves all across the country. Protests have been going on for hours now outside the High Court. ABC's Justin Finch reports from Washington.
Good morning. Those following the Supreme Court say a leak of this magnitude is in itself remarkable and caution it's not the final word yet. Still, those on both sides of abortion rights see this as a major flashpoint in the Roe versus Wade debate, and demonstrations have already begun. This morning, tensions high outside the U.S. Supreme Court following a leaked draft opinion in a case that could determine the future of Roe versus Wade and abortion rights across the country. The protests coming after the website Politico reporting it obtained documents from a person familiar with the court's proceedings. Those documents labeled a first draft of the opinion in a case challenging Mississippi's ban on abortion after 15 weeks. But in that draft, Justice Samuel Alito, the opinion's apparent author, writes Roe was egregiously wrong from the start.
It was circulated in the court as a first draft by Justice Alito in February, dated February 10th. So it is possible there have been some changes since then.
The draft opinion also citing Planned Parenthood versus Casey. The 1992 case affirmed Roe's finding of a constitutional right to abortion services. Justice Alito on the court's 6-3 conservative majority writing, "We hold that Roe and Casey must be overruled. It is time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives." Planned Parenthood tweeting, "Let's be clear, this is a draft opinion. It's outrageous, it's unprecedented, but it's not final. Abortion is your right and is still legal." The draft opinion leak comes as states nationwide have begun passing restrictive abortion measures. Many congressional Democrats now calling for Congress to pass legislation to protect abortion rights by codifying them into federal law. Justin Finch, ABC News, Washington.